Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Giselle, and today we have a super quick everyday look. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved the look that I have on right now, then keep on watching. So I'm about to go somewhere, and I figured I'd get in front of the camera and just kind of film me putting my makeup on like it's nothing major. This is literally what I do most of the time if I have to get ready to go somewhere. It's just like a natural beat. I like to have my skin be perfect. Like, that's always my main thing. My skin is usually my main focus, so the skin is always on point and everything else just kind of falls in line with it. Also, if you haven't done so yet, I am on Instagram, so make sure to go and follow me over there for the latest looks, for a closer look up and the list of all of the products that I use. So this is the look for today. Like I said, just perfected skin, really natural eyes, and then I'll do a pop of color on the lips. So let's get to this tutorial. So we're starting off with my Bobbi Brown Mattifier primer. I love this primer because it's lightweight and moisturizing. And then we're going in with my foundation. And I think that's the Maybelline one. I don't remember the name of the actual foundation. I will have that in the description box. But I love it because it's affordable and it's matte. And to hide any spots that the foundation didn't take care of, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix concealer. And I'm just putting that on certain spots and blending that in. And then I'm going in with my Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, to brighten up under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin area, all that good stuff that you guys see on every single makeup video. Just to brighten it up a little bit, bring you back to life, you know what I'm saying? And I always blend my concealer with a beauty blender because I just think that it gives more of a flawless finish instead of using a brush, because a lot of times the brush will leave streaks and it's not as flawless. So that's why I always go in with a beauty blender. And to brighten it up just a tiny little bit more, I'm going in with a MAC Pro Longwear in NC42, and I just did a few dots under my eyes to brighten the area because that first concealer wasn't bright enough for me. And I probably didn't even need this much. I could have just done like 2 dots, but you know, sometimes you just get a little extra. Then going in with my Fit Me Loose powder. I've said it before, this powder is absolutely amazing. And I'm just using my beauty blender to set that concealer under my eyes to make sure that it doesn't crease. And as you can see, like, this powder is slightly, like, almost my skin tone. So I go in with my Studio Fix powder in C5. I've seen Shayla doing this. And I just go in towards the inner corner to brighten it up a little bit more. And then I use it on the bridge of my nose and the other areas that I highlighted as well. The C5 would be extremely light for me if I wore it by itself. So that's why I just use a little bit over the powder that I had applied previously. And I mentioned this palette on my last video, and I am absolutely in love with it. It's from Black Radiance, and it's their highlight and contour palette. I think it's like $5-6, and it's bomb AF, you guys. And I just bronze my face, really. And now this is the powder from Maybelline, the same one I used under my eyes, just to sculpt that contour a little bit more and make it sharper. Moving on to our brows, I'm using the Urban Decay Brow Kit, and it has been my favorite freaking thing since they sent it to me. I absolutely love it. And I just start by creating a line at the bottom of my brows, and then I bring the product up and fill up the rest, because my brows are not sparse. So I really just do it to bring them out a little bit more, make a little bit more defined. And I just shape it to my liking. And I'm using the little brush that came with the little kit too. It has a little spoolie on one end and an angled brush on the other. And then to kind of blend everything together, I go with the spoolie end and I brush my brows. Now for my eyes, I'm just going into that contour palette and I'm putting that middle shade right on my crease to just add a little bit of definition. I'm not even going to do anything on my lid. It's really going to be mainly me adding this shade right here. That's all I'm going to do with my eyes in terms of color. And then I'm going in with my Sephora liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It's my favorite. And I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just really just adding a thin line so I can apply my lashes. Since I'm using the black lash glue, I just find it better when I put a little bit of liner on because I'm still getting the hang of using that black glue. But anyways, I'm going in with my mascara. I can't remember the name of the brand, but this was their collaboration with J.Lo, and I absolutely love that mascara. And going in with my bow lashes and some highlighter to really bring the look together. The highlighter is from Becca. And I'm just highlighting the typical places. You don't have to over highlight, you know what I mean? But I just like to put it on the bridge of my nose, and cheekbones. And I'm also adding a little bit of the highlighter to my inner corners just to brighten the look a little bit more. For my lips, I'm going in with a liquid lipstick from Glamour Puss. I'll leave the name of the shade in the description box. But it's this really gorgeous pink red that I thought would be great for this look, because I like to do like a vibrant color on my lips when I don't do much with the eyes. And I'm keeping it pretty natural with the blush. This is from my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush palette. And I'm just using a pinky shade to tie everything together. And finishing it off with an Urban Decay setting spray. And voila! This is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you subscribed already. And if you did enjoy it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up so that I know that you are enjoying my videos. And share it so we can keep growing the channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!